The process of change in forest plant communities is called forest succession. Formally speaking, forest succession is the progressive changes in plant species composition and structure over time as a result of natural processes. Think of forest succession as proceeding via a series of stages or steps. We call each of these stages a successional stage, and each stage takes many years, often centuries, to complete. It's also important to point out that these stages are not distinct and separate from one another. Think of it as a fluid continuum. There's no clear line of demarcation as one successional stage begins, ends, and then the next stage begins. Instead, it's a fluid continuum and the stages blend into one another or merge. Here's an example of how it works.
A natural disturbance, such as a landslide, a windstorm, or in this case a fire, sweeps through the forest. There was once an overstory of trees, and likely rather shaded conditions in the forest understory. Now, many trees and their foliage are gone. The disturbance has created an opening. There is now exposed ground, and light is penetrating the forest. After the natural disturbance clears the area, the first plants to appear are grasses, herbaceous plants, and scattered shrubs. These plants dominate for a number of years, during which there is ample sunlight available. This is the first successional stage after a disturbance, and we call it the herbaceous stage. Over time, though, those scattered shrubs will gain more of a foothold. Their numbers will increase, and they will begin to dominate within the area. Mixed in amongst those shrubs, you will find the occasional tree seedling. Those seedlings will in turn increase in number as this stage progresses. We call this successional stage the shrub seedling stage. As we transition to the next stage, those tree seedlings are growing taller. As they do so, and as their canopies spread, they begin to dominate available light. Those young trees, now called saplings, now dominate over the shrubs. Light making its way to the forest floor is now becoming somewhat limited during certain stretches of the day. We call this stage of succession the sapling stage.